Hey, what's up, guys? Wanted to make a video for you today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. This niche is in the back to school niche, and this is a good niche because it's going to be very easy to scale up, and it's using a design style that if you've been on merch for a while, you know sells very well. So the phrase or the sub niche is Little Miss Third Grade. You can see they're using the messy bun design style, and this is a good niche because it can be very easily scaled up. So you can just make one design like this, and then you can do it for first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, etc. And if we take a look at the competition, we'll see 865 results on merch. And if we look at some of the results here, we're going to see that this listing right here was uploaded on June 28th, 2022. And it already has sales, has a good BSR. And then we also have one that was uploaded on June 14th that also has a review plus under 100,000, so that's really good. And then this one's on July 12th and July 12th as well. So these top four right here were just uploaded and they're already selling and they have really low BSRs. So this is definitely a niche that you want to get into. If we take a look at tests, we're going to see that when we type in Little Miss Third Grade and hit enter, we're going to see that nothing pops up, so it's not trademarked. And if we look at some of the other platforms, there's barely any competition for this phrase on Etsy. Take a look at Redbubble. You're going to see the same thing, only 152 results. And TeePublic, looks like just little results as well. So what I would recommend for this niche would be to stick with the messy bun style. What you can do is you can go to maybe Etsy and you can find SVG PNGs or messy bun SVGs. And what I was noticing is that no one is using yet the leopard style, and that is very popular on merch. So maybe you can do a design like this, add in some kind of like school colors, but also maybe mix in the leopard as well. So that's just one idea. Or you can just go kind of the standard route and just find a nice school messy bun SVG to use. Just make sure that you're allowed to use it for commercial use. You have to read the description, and usually it'll say whether you're allowed to use it for print on demand or not. Like this looks like a pretty good one right here. Maybe try using one like this. This looks good as well. So that's probably the strategy that I would go if I were to upload some designs in this niche. But that's basically the niche for today. Get your designs up as soon as possible because these niches or these designs are already starting to sell because people are buying back to school shirts. So yeah, I'm sorry I wasn't able to get a video out yesterday. I just wasn't really able to find anything that was worth making a video on. But this is definitely a good niche to get into. It's in the back to school niche. It can be easily scaled, and it's using a design style that has been proven to sell on merch over the years. All right, so check out Etsy, see if you can get some nice graphics from there. Make sure that you're allowed to use it for commercial use, and hopefully you can make some sales from this design. All right, thanks for watching the video. Check out the affiliate links in the description. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.